Tired of those boring, default icons cluttering your taskbar? Let's ditch the drab and dive into customizing your Windows taskbar icons, specifically for apps installed from the Microsoft Store. First, you'll need a third-party tool. I recommend Resource Hacker, but there are others available. Online, download and install your chosen program. Now, locate the app's executable file. Microsoft Store apps are typically buried deep within the WindowsApps folder. To find it, open File Explorer and navigate to this PC, then View, and make sure Hidden Items is checked. Now navigate to your C drive, Program Files, WindowsApps. Warning: you may need to take ownership of this folder to access it. To do this, right-click on the WindowsApps folder, select Properties, Security tab, and click Advanced. Change the owner to your user and check the box Replace all child object permissions. Click Apply, and OK. Inside WindowsApps, you'll see a list of folders with cryptic names. These are your installed apps. You will need to open each one to find the correct X file. It may take a little bit of digging. Open the folder and search for the name of the app. Once you found the X file of the app you want to modify, right-click it and select Open with Resource Hacker from the context menu. In Resource Hacker, expand the icon folder. You'll see one or more icons listed. Right-click the icon you want to replace and select Replace Icon. Click Open File with New Icon and browse to the location of your new file. Select it and click Replace. Finally, click the Compile Script button, usually a green play button, and then save the modified X file. I would recommend saving a copy so you do not damage the original. After saving, close Resource Hacker. Now, unpin the original app icon from your taskbar. Repin your newly edited X file to the taskbar. You may need to restart Windows Explorer for the changes to fully appear. And there you have it. Your Microsoft Store app now boasts a brand new, personalized icon on your taskbar. Have fun customizing.